Alright, here is our circuit for running lights when the headlamp is on only, and flashes anytime. And of course flashes when the headlight's on as well. We'll start by connecting a hot wire right there. That's going to be the power from the headlamp switch. As we can see, daytime running lights are on. Now when I connect the flasher, the running lights will go off and only the signals will work. And there you have it. Turn the signals shut off, running lamps back on. Headlamp switch off, running lights off. Finally.